Alright, now you can stop there. Go forward. And then you promenade. Promenade. Well, after step though. You don't just like spin around. Oh, these people. Alright. I'm promenading. That's a pumpinating. Oh look, the stars are here. Oh god. Give me your head. Give me your head. Grab my shoulder. Grab it.
Got it. It's real fast. Okay.
You ready? Alright. Step, point. No, we're going to do it.
Why are we pointing?
This is a different one.
Okay, sorry. Step, point.
Step, point. Point. Step.
What was it? No, other way?
Alright. Now try that. This is a different way to do it, alright? This is more with a power.
Kim, I think it's
Your
time for you to
power
go that way though. Yeah.
Step, point.
Spin fast
Point.
when you go that way, right?
Out step.
Oh.
In step. And then you promenade. It's a little simpler. You're really stiff.
You can hear like the shuffle or feel it.
You're just like, your arm is like locked in place.
No.